It's a cool Sunday morning, and I have Buster out for a drive. You know what? Let's go behind the house. The other horses think that woodpile is the scariest thing in the world, and he says, well, I'd rather not get near it, but it's not terrifying. Nope, you have to walk. You know the rules. Say a dog came out here and rolled. Nope, that's horsehair. Yeah, it's Amy. Yep, let's avoid the stumps, please. Mystifies us why these trees are dying and just strange. Walk on. What a good boy. Come across. Come across. That's a boy. Yeah, the yard was buggy. The field would be even buggier. We would just as soon avoid the buggier. What a good boy. Yep, there's your friend Carolina. Walk on. Oh, the fly's bugging your belly. Oh, the fly's bugging your belly. There, that helps, huh? Shall we working trot? Buster, working trot. Amy, that was dangerous. There you go. You're a funny boy. You have to trot through the middle of the poop. Yes, I know the bugs are bad. Follow Amy. That's a boy. Nope, we don't have to go as fast as Amy. Amy! Get back over here. Come back just a little bit. Come back just a little bit. He is ready for a blind bridle. And if he didn't have a new ding on his forehead where he peeled a bunch of skin and hair off, I would have put one on him today. But the blinders, the winker spreader, would have hit right over that new ding on his face. So we chose to stick with the open bridle today. There you go. What a happy boy you are. And I would love to go out and go across the field, but too many bugs. The advantage of working them during the winter and spring, the bugs were gone. And this way a little bit, avoid that big rock. Thank you. Good boy. Yes, I know there are bugs. Stay on the road. Nope. Sorry about that, folks, but I was being bitten on the chin. And I would just as soon not have that happen. That's a good boy. No. Working trot. Going forward. Yes, I know the bugs are terrible. Well, we put some stuff on your face, but not enough apparently. Good boy. We're not going to go very far today. That's a good boy. You are developing a very nice steady trot. Oop, oop. See, we've gone east, we have not gone west. So today we are going to go, maybe a quarter mile west, maybe a half mile, we'll see. New places, new faces, new spaces. It's a tire. Yeah. Nobody likes that tire. And I laugh because they get to looking at these little posts on the side of the road and they say, oh my God, I can't go by that. And they're so busy looking at one of them, they completely miss the other one. Hang on, we'll turn around here pretty quick and you'll get all the bugs right off your face. Nope. Good boy. No, we're not going to go off the side of the road that way either. Yes, you're being a good boy. You ready to walk a little bit? Nope. I know there are tracks over there. We aren't taking them. Maybe we'll get down here to the road. At a half mile, then we can pick up the road that goes around the field, and maybe we can handle that. We'll see. Driving babies is always, I love it. It's so much fun and it's interesting. And it's a matter of flexing and moving with them, flexing and moving with them all the time. Always being aware of what they're going to do with their head the next minute or to do with their body in the next minute. So, while this may seem boring to you to be just going down the road like this, to me, it's always fascinating to see, among other things, the babies always come up with what trick is next. And I'm not big on what